Do the dash, speed racer. Do the dash, speed racer. Shorty wanna
So, living in upstate New York, we tend to get flash snowstorms, not even flash snowstorms, like abrupt snowstorms that they allegedly plan for, but the roads be shit. Like, I'm on a highway right now. I'm going 25 because it's a big bend. It's a big ass bend. Like, how am I supposed to go through this fast? And if you watch my channel, you know that I have a front wheel drive Accord. So, though being an efficient car, it still has front wheel drive. So, I'm driving back and I have to be cautious on my brakes because I have front wheel drive. I don't have all wheel drive, which would be smart to live in New York with cars are expensive. Like, driving through Albany when it's snowing like this is crazy because people drive horrible out here. So it's like, you gotta be cautious of yourself, them. You gotta be cautious of everybody. You're supposed to be responsible for the whole fucking Albany just driving around because niggas don't know how to drive in snow, but they've been living here for years. It be the niggas that be living here for years. Like, no cap. They be going through this shit flying. I'm cool. I'm cool boy. Like, y'all think this is appropriate snow? Like, what the fuck? Why is it snowing, nigga? Why does it always have to snow, bro? This is why I hate living upstate, bro. The summers is valid, though, bro. The summers you get mad hot. You get a 10 in the summer up here, it'd be 95. Some summers, 85 calm, 85, let's say 90 calm out here in the summer. But this, treacherous. All my niggas dead and shit. So, I'm going to Mike's Deli. Mike's Deli is on a hill. I have to go up either Mount Hope or 2nd Ave or McCarty. Those are my options right now. My car is thinking about it. I could go either directly up 2nd Ave right now, but I'm gonna have to gun that shit. Cause once I start rolling, fuck it, let's try it. I got stuck at the light. It says no turn on, wait, it's a green light. It says no turn on red. I was trying to figure out if today was a school day. Dumb as hell, it's Tuesday, nigga. It's actually not that bad. I ain't even cap. Shit not even that bad. Ooh, it's a little taily. This is the hill I was talking about. I thought it was gonna be snow right here. But niggas is doing, see, it's sludge. Sludge will really not make your car stop. No cap. Yeah. My tire pressure low, like, as soon as the snow, I just put a new tire on this bitch at that, so how? So basically right now I'm gonna have to just, oh no baby, don't say that, baby. Oh, see, that's what I'm talking about. It starts getting worse because on the actual hill, like, this is the hill coming up here, they don't fucking, look at the Hondeezy. The Hondeezy gotta push, baby. You gotta push, baby. Baby, don't do that, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, we at the top of the hill, bitch. Oh my God. If y'all could only feel this. I'm about to park this bitch up. I ain't going nowhere for the rest of the night. Rest in peace, Doofski. When I tell y'all, it's a fucking snowstorm. Like, this shit is ridiculous. Respectfully disrespectful. See, now the problem is I'm on top of the hill, but the roads aren't plowed at the intersections. So when I get to the intersection and I pull off from the red light, my car is sliding because it has to dig forward and it's sitting in snow. Driving upstate, like, watch. Once we get on that, there we go. Y'all hear it. Once you get on it though, you're all good. trying to figure out if this is a cop behind me, cause nigga, don't pull me over in this fucking weather. I'm not rolling my window down. It's too cold for that, Duke. I'm trying to go. Yeah, I know where I'm going. See, people that's not from here, they think this weather is beautiful. But if you own a car, own a storefront, own somewhere that has to be cleaned up for the snow to, oh my God. This shit is clamming my fucking brakes up. I don't like that. Buses is next to me all close and shit. Oh my God. What the cry? This is some bad weather, sis. Alright, so I got here safely. Whew. Damn. Deep on DZ. She makes it everywhere. Hopefully. I shouldn't even say that. I walk in the mics. This smells crazy in that bitch. I still order my food though. It smells wild. That shit smells like somebody ordered the wrong thing. What the fuck? Yo, this weather is beyond me.